I think AI is a tool. Just like cars were tools when we had horse and buggies, and it helps you do things faster, more efficiently, more comfortably, maybe even more consistently. But I think if we ever get to the point where AI is doing everything, you have to remember that somebody programmed that AI. Yes, you're going to have AI that does and automates a lot for you. But if I'm an adversary, I'm also going to have an AI that does and automates a lot of things for me as well. I think the real question is going to be the people behind the AI, all the way back to who is coding that AI and what algorithms and what procedures do they have in there, what checks and balances that they have inside their AI. That's going to be the thing that really takes cybersecurity and the mess between cybersecurity and AI. That's going to take that to the next level. But I don't think it's going to be the panacea. I don't think it's going to be the end all to cybersecurity because, again, if you have an AI as a defender, guess what? I have an AI as an attacker. And if the person who developed my AI or is implementing it better or wakes up your admin at 2:00 in the morning to get them to put their authentication into a device and they're better at it than you, we're still going to have people using AI against other people using AI. So I just think it's another tool. Now, when you start talking about adding AI to quantum computing, that gets into something that I'm not ready for. But everything else, I think for a long time, it's going to be about how people use the AI and not necessarily just letting the AI go and seeing what it does.
Visualize, describe, and explain your network. Telesir. See everything.